something. And when you get you take something, she make me want to touch something. Ever I'm feeling now. If I buy batta forever, when I get in the book, the good Jennifer Gabova. Ever I'm feeling now. If I buy batta forever, the good Jennifer Gabova. When I get in the book, you never teach on it. You never teach on it. You never teach on it. I'm up, you go sing teach on it.
Refresh for you. Anyway, thank you. Never teach on it. Good evening and welcome back again on Top of the Night Show. In case just they join us, I don't hear our topic what they discuss today. Our phone numbers on there on top of TV. Make una begin. They call us to tell us if you be Anita, mama and papa, what you go do? You go allow make your daughter enter back prison, go serve the sentence when it be say remain on top down. Imprisonment. Abi you go allow make Dan Kuku just complete am since don't start am already. Our phone number don't do tip on TV. Make una begin. They call us for chook mouth on top the matter. Now, on top am Katin they talk say if na
what for you? My mother. My mother will carry you with your hand like this. And say, no, I want my conscience to rest easy. As I'm growing older in the evening of my life, when I'm going to see my Lord, there's some burden I don't want to carry along with me. First of all, my mother will ask you, say, why did you come and lie?
To me.
That's what kind of something you could have feared them like that. You sit down, you lie. You watch somebody innocent picking go to jail for 2 years. You say, if you no go that day, you don't go understand that thing what you do. So my go say, no, pack your load. Pack all your favorite things, we are going to prison.
No, but true, not be like my mama, my papa. My mama go fit tell you say, ngwa, ganga, just go.
Yes.
Because normally safe, because I do think calm. Because I not go like give you women wicked though.
Even men wicked too.
Yes, men.
So it's a wicked world.
It's a wicked world.
It's a wicked world, but women own wickedness too much. Just because of say they get attention. And now you do am.
And then maybe you feel say maybe here and one girl where they don't be friends. It is say maybe they give you attention because
maybe
of
they give that girl attention because they give you attention.
Finish your
mind. You can't carry am. You can't go lie. The boy can't go. Now the boy dey prison for the first year. You know nothing. 1 month you not do it for money. 2 months and I sure say she don't.
1 year safe.
I thought say she could not get another boyfriend. We go dey run things with her. 1 month she not do anything.
Minister with somebody since.
My brother, you talking about 2 months you not do anything. 3 months you not do anything. Nah, after 2. And the truth be say, the truth for not come outside. If not, be not girls the gist now.
Yes.
The gist.
If not be say the girls the gist.
If not be say the gist when the truth come outside.
Which I even suspect, say, when she did tell the lie, she not reason the gravity of the end of the lie, the way it go come be.
Not true.
You understand?
I not go na lie.
No, you don't think I'm like that though.
Nah, like you go down reason now.
You know, say if her parents hear them, they go ginger.
But you know, believe say her parents
go ginger and stop the matter like that.
Lekon, good evening, Joe. Sorry, say we'll keep you waiting, Biko. Hello?
Hello, yeah, good evening.
Good evening, my brother. How you doing?
I do, and I do for this.
We did fine. I bet chook mouth for this thing what they discuss.
I hear everything I talk. The thing is very, very funny. They will need to have a student now.
Okay.
So on top of the matter, if as Anita don't go lie on top of the boy. So what I think he will do be say, the man no fit confess say the boy they innocent. So he will want to make sure say the boy because now bad thing is one of them because educated
Lekon.
Yes.
The question what they ask me say if you be Anita mama and papa, you go court, go tell them say your daughter be lie. Then as your daughter lie, then make she.
You know go be talk at all.
Now you are the ask. If now you what you go do?
If I meet you, I don't go to do him now because he go spoil family name. I don't understand.
So you go sit down.
You go sit down. Made the innocent boy serve the remaining 3 years.
After he come back, then we go try settle the matter for.
Then every Sunday you go church and go and raise holy hands.
Lift up holy hands and praise the Lord.
How do you go?
What are your opinion with that?
Anyway, now waiting. Lekon, no problem. Now your own, my brother. Now your own. You talk. Thank you very much, Lekon. Good night. Choma, good evening from Akute.
Jesus.
Choma Jesus. Choma Jesus. Hello.
Hello.
Choma have flow away like it's a little.
Hey, easy bitch, if you talk something, I beg talk.
Yeah, I said the girl don't know the gravity of the lie where she talk. You know, she could just talk her. Maybe what happened to you? She could talk what happened. But you not gonna say you just be like maybe person will slap you. My person will slap you now. You go tell your daddy say he slapped me. You know, go say your daddy go take him serious. I will get him arrested. That kind of thing. So the suspicion that's so you get to go talk him.
You know get how because she know the gravity of rape. You know, say person when they say they catch for rape, say then go if court find them guilty, say then go imprison them. He not think. And her mama and papa na lawyer.
See, you see, I for don't put mouth for this thing where they talk, but since Lekon call, you don't put this thing in another perspective for me.
Yeah.
If Lekon fit talk say it go spoil family name. So make the boy no, I no go hand them over to authorities. It go spoil family name. Now him be say, you no get any problem to watch another innocent
person suffer.
There.
So maybe na so she be. You no get any feelings. Somebody has to take somebody.
And the same person will be the try love or where you love.
When you claim I can do anything for you.
Anyway, in case you just join us this evening, what will they discuss today on top this Monday? Now, still matter we concern law, even on top say lawyer not eh. Anita and Dan, now boyfriend and girlfriend when they be say they university. Even on top Twitter, what did they talk on Twitter?
No,
before
we don't
continue. Now, Anita na what are they talk? Anita and Dan, now boyfriend and girlfriend wait there for school.
Before,
now,
yes.
Anita can't go complain, give the mama and papa with the lawyers. Mama na lawyer, papa na lawyer. Say down the rape.
Yes.
Used by force.
Rape.
Enter
Finish.
the ministry. Now so the parents, you know how your parents go take care.
Yes.
Whoa, what nonsense?
What? My child?
My child?
Oh my God.
No.
What?
Carry the matter, go court. Now say then drag the boy, go court. The boy they talk say he not do him. The girl say na lie, he do him. Because my brother, I not get anybody with this something we go talk say he do him. And drag and go court. Now so then give the boy 5 years in prison.
Yes.
The boy enter the prison, they serve. From gist of girlfriend, this one, that one.
Random gist.
Random gist. When it be say from nowhere, truth can't come outside. When the girl, Anita, they discuss with her friends, they come find out, say, this boy, they innocent. He not rape the girl. Now, the mama and papa of this girl come find out, say, not true. Say the boy, they innocent. Now, the thing with they be say, if then go court, go complain, the girl go enter prison, the boy
go come out automatically.
If now even the mama and papa of this girl, you go court, go tell them, I be go leave the boy, make him serve the remaining years. Yetunde, good evening. Yetunde.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My sister took much for this thing what they discuss.
Yeah, as you say now me, talk to now me. I go take my daughter go.
Go where?
She go serve the 3 years prison. To be
Yetunde.
candid, because my mama, now so she train us. My papa go.
You don't go prison before?
No, my papa go. My stepbrother has once. That my daddy was even the one who took him down there.
Oh, your papa carry your brother go prison?
Yes, my stepbrother. They said he raped.
Your papa na policeman?
He's not a policeman and a native doctor. But he doesn't take shit.
Yetunde. Sorry, now play. We'll not talk anything bad about you.
He's no more.
Leave him.
So, no argue. No, just a question. Who carry on the family business of your papa?
For real, my papa go take you there. You surely serve the remaining 3 years prison.
Now,
sure.
you say your papa don't stop the native doctor business.
He don't die.
You don't. Yeah.
Who carry on the family business?
But none of us, none.
So the business just go like that.
Actually,
but you get small thing where you feed do.
Yes, I'm a computer league.
No.
So maybe the nothing stops.
So you don't know small.
So you don't know small juju. If boy not love you go carry carbide, mix am with Togo. Carry
Nobody needs
my sister, make why no. Anyway, we'll buy some chicken break. We'll do sharp fingers. When you come back, we'll begin taking a phone call.
Now, what I do now? What does your father do? He said,
if you don't just enjoy the video, they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.